Installing a processor. If there is any old thermal grease on the processor or cold plate, gently clean the top of the processor and the cold plate using an alcohol cleaning pad. Remove the processor identification label from the water loop and replace it with the new label that came with the replacement processor. If you are unable to put the new label on the water loop, or if the label is damaged during the transfer, use a permanent marker to write the new processor serial number on the water loop in the same location as the label would have been placed. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease to the top of the processor. Each dot should consist of about 0.1 milliliters of thermal grease. For non-Intel Xeon Max processors, align the triangular mark on the processor retainer with the triangular mark on the corner of the processor. For Intel Xeon Max processors, make sure the slot on the TIM braking cam is vertical. Gently place the processor retainer on the processor and then carefully press the 4 sides of the processor retainer down to secure the processor. Align the triangular marks on the processor retainer with the triangular slots on the underside of the water loop cold plate, and then attach the processor to the underside of the water loop cold plate by inserting the processor retainer posts and clips into the openings at the 4 corners of the cold plate. For Intel Xeon Max processors, make sure the slot on the TIM braking cam is vertical. Push all the anti-tilt wire bales outward to the unlocked position. Install the tray cover. Install the tray into the enclosure.